How to create a Hulu account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can create a Hulu TV account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the Hulu app from your app store, depending upon wherever you are, on which platform you are using the application, whether you're on Android or iOS. Once you've downloaded the app, I'm going to simply open it. After you open the Hulu TV application, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. Now, by the way, if you already do have an account, what you need to do is simply tap on this login button, which you see. As you tap on the login button, you can actually log in with the Hulu account or log in with your TV provider. Go ahead and enter your email address, your password, or tap on the login button as well. But since you are new, and in order to create a new account, what we have to do is simply tap on start your free trial. So Hulu is basically a paid application and a paid subscription which you need to subscribe to, and you can see some of the plans, such as the most popular, which costs you up to $7 a month, and it's called 1 month free. Then you have the second Hulu, which actually has no ads, which costs you up to $13 a month, which is $12.99. Let's look at some of its features as well. As you can see, it says access to Hulu's streaming library of TV episodes and hit movies, watch on your TV, laptop, phone or tablet, watch up to 6 user profiles and award-winning Hulu originals. The other plan, which doesn't have ads, actually says enjoy the full streaming library and feature included with the Hulu plan, and which absolutely has no ads. Now, depending upon your own wish, you could go ahead and simply select your plan, such as you want the upper one, which is a lower cost and which is basically the most popular, or you can use a second one. But I will simply select the first one in this case. Then I will select the select plan option. Now, what you have to do is, on this particular page, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and simply enter your name. Once you enter your first name, as you can see in this box, go ahead and also enter your last name. So let me just go ahead and then enter my last name. Once you do that, tap on your email address and simply choose a new email address for your Hulu account. So let me go ahead and then also enter my email address which I want to use. Once you've entered the email address, you might also want to create a very strong password, so go ahead and do that. Once you've entered your password, if you're not sure what you have typed in, you could also tap on this eye icon on the right hand side. After that, you want to simply actually select your birthday. So let me go ahead and find my birth year. After that, you can find your birth month, and then you can find your birth date. Then tap on next, and you might want to select your gender. And tap on next and select the option which says create my account, which you see at the bottom of the screen. Once you select the create my account, you can see any free trial after discount your Apple ID will be charged, and plus applicable taxes and so on. So go ahead and simply enter that and create my account, follow the instructions, add a payment method, and see if that fixes the issue and helps you create your account. This is how you can create a Hulu TV account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.